subscribe to my channel for more interesting and useful tutorials and tips. Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll create this kind of ring, but it will be with red and gold. Let's start. For it you will need Bicone crystals. They are 4 millimeters and I will have 28 in total. I will create 14 crystals in every row. And then I have Miyuki gold-plated seed beads, 24 karat gold-plated, needle size 10, and S-lon or Nymo threads. We will need around 1 meter of the thread. One seed bead, one Bicone crystal, seed bead, Bicone crystal. Seed beads are size 11. And we take 14 crystals and 14 seed beads. I have 14 Bicone crystals on my thread. I will pass with my needle and thread around all the crystals and seed beads. And then we will make a knot. And we will pass into the Bicone crystal and into the next seed bead, size 11-0. Pull a bit. Next step is take 3 seed beads and enter into the same seed bead from other side, and then into the Bicone crystal and the next seed bead. Again 3 seed beads into the same seed bead from other side, into the next Bicone crystal and into the next seed bead. And we do the same all around. And last 3 seed beads here. We enter into the Bicone crystal and we have to go out from the seed bead which is on the top. This way. Now we will need only our Bicone crystals, and we take Bicone crystal and we enter into the next top seed bead of our triangle, this way, and we continue all around our future ring. And pull. I have here Czech Preciosa crystals, and for this kind of rings they are the best. I tried to make them with Chinese crystals, which are not so straight, and you can see it straight away that your ring is not straight as well. So for this kind of jewelry it's better to use Preciosa crystals and Miyuki seed beads. And last Bicone crystal here, and we pull. I will go around with my thread and needle through all seed beads and crystals on this row to secure it better and make our ring more straight. Now I need to secure my thread, and for it I will go next to my tail and I will make a knot, and then I will cut my thread. But first I have to go out next to the tail. Ring is ready. As you can see, it's very beautiful and easy to make. And now I have this kind of two beautiful rings. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video and comment below if you have any questions or suggestions to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a lovely day. Bye!